Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Y7 Prime 2018 and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen twice and then tap on the edit icon right here. And we have a screen recording icon right here. We need to press and hold on it. Drag it to the list above, like this, then tap back. And now we can tap on this icon to turn the screen recording on, like that. Here you can allow some permissions for microphone if you want. Tap allow. Now you have some little tutorial how to use it. And then tap agree. And again, here we have tutorial how to start and stop recording. Basically, you can use the shortcut panel that is right here above. We can see it now, but it's gonna appear when the recording starts. And you can also use power button and volume up button to stop and start recording. Now let's tap next. You can also start the recording with the countdown, I believe, right? Screen recording starts when countdown ends. Yeah, so basically there's gonna be a little countdown when they start the recording, and you can tap on it, I believe, to start the recording immediately. Yeah. And here we have the shortcut panel. As you can see, it's recording now. It says it right here. You have stop button. You can tap on it to stop recording, or you can press volume up and power button together. So let's stop it by pressing, for example, physical buttons right here. Or maybe press and hold. Yeah, press and hold. And now we can go to gallery. Screen recordings right here. And we have our screen recording. You can also stop it the other way. Basically, this shortcut panel, here you can tap stop. And here we have, no, this one, our second recording. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.